Hey guys, it's me, Jack Varnell. I'm from the Social Yet Distance podcast. This is part 2 of our CBD 101 series. We've got a number of episodes planned for the future in order to give you a little bit of information, some education, and offer some hope. And that you can join us in changing the paradigm of medicine and see how that all works. Make that available to everyone. So subscribe to the channel, comment away with questions, answers, and topics of interest. I'm happy to walk you through the journey, as are all of the people in our community, nurses, professionals, patients, and caretakers. This video provides a comprehensive overview of cannabidol and its potential therapeutic applications. CBD, or cannabinol, is one of over 100 cannabinoids found in cannabis plants, particularly hemp. Unlike THC, CBD does not produce psychoactive effects or a buzz or a high. Some of the key points in this video to watch for are talks about the endocannabinoid system, how CBD interacts with the body's ECS, which helps us regulate various biological processes and maintains homeostasis. All 11 of our body systems are impacted by CBD or a deficiency in the endocannabinoid system. Research does suggest that CBD may help with chronic pain, inflammation, anxiety, depression, sleep disorders, epilepsy, inflammatory bowel diseases, autoimmune disorders, cancer treatment side effects. It's important to note, while CBD shows promise for these various conditions, much more research is needed to fully understand the effects and optimal usage. Always, here's the disclaimer, consult with a professional before starting any new supplement regimen. This information is provided for education. My affiliate links are included, and I'm more than happy to help you walk through the process. It's helped to change my life. So, sources for all of this information, all of the educational tools come from the holy trinity of changing medical paradigms: Bloom Hemp, Holisticcaring, and the Green Nurse. All of the links are in the description, and I have a code. Join the network, get the best of cannabis life training, and let's change the paradigm of medicine. Special incentives are available for nurses and medical professionals, patients, and caretakers alike. Founder and nurse Elizabeth Mack literally wrote the book on it, and Sherry Mack, co-founder and nurse, has been a podcaster for many years on the topic of Green Nurse, and she's a co-founder and pays special focus on nursing and medical concerns. Come and hang out with us. We want to change the paradigm of medicine. Come learn with us. You will too. You can reach out. I'm a cannabis health coach, so I'm more than happy to walk you through the process. You can call the nurse line, which will be listed in the description, if you have additional questions, and come and learn from our vast library of educational materials. All of the mentioned links that you hear about in the video itself will be listed in the description. I hope that you enjoy the presentation. Thank you, guys.
The video provides an overview of the therapeutic use of cannabis and cannabinoids, particularly focusing on CBD, its benefits, and its interaction with the endocannabinoid system for promoting health and wellness. Therapeutic benefits of cannabis. Cannabis has been recognized for its potential to improve quality of life and provide therapeutic benefits for various health conditions. Many individuals report significant improvements in their physical, emotional, and mental well-being through its use. Cannabis is used for medicinal, wellness, and healing purposes. Users report life-changing benefits, including improved daily functioning and reduced reliance on pharmaceuticals. The American Cannabis Nurses Association defines therapeutic use as focused on healing and wellness. Understanding CBD and its sources. CBD, or cannabidiol, is a cannabinoid derived from cannabis and hemp plants with varying levels of THC. It is available in different forms, including isolates, broad-spectrum, and full-spectrum products. CBD from cannabis contains 0.3% THC. CBD from hemp contains 0.3% THC. Types of CBD: isolate, single molecule; broad-spectrum, whole plant, 0 THC; full-spectrum, whole plant, 0.3% THC. Cannabinoids are recognized for their antioxidant and neuroprotective properties. The endocannabinoid system. Explained, the endocannabinoid system, ECS, is a complex regulatory system that maintains homeostasis across various bodily functions. It consists of receptors, endocannabinoids, and enzymes that work together to restore balance. The ECS regulates all 11 organ systems and the immune system. It acts as a switchboard, correcting cell signaling to maintain balance. ECS deficiency can lead to chronic conditions and hinder the body's ability to adapt to stressors. Causes and effects of ECS deficiency. ECS deficiency can arise from various lifestyle factors and can lead to health issues. Understanding these causes can help in addressing and improving overall health. Causes include age, poor diet, lack of exercise, chronic stress, and poor sleep. Chronic conditions may develop due to ineffective ECS functioning. Addressing these factors can help restore ECS balance and improve health outcomes. Strategies for enhancing ECS function. Implementing lifestyle changes can support the ECS and promote overall health and well-being. Various practices can help restore balance and improve the body's response to stress. Food as medicine, emphasizing whole foods and adaptogens. Regular exercise, meditation, and mind-body practices are essential. Social connections, laughter, and therapeutic touch contribute to ECS health. Cannabinoids and their interaction with ECS cannabinoids, both endocannabinoids produced in the body and phytocannabinoids from plants, interact with ECS receptors to promote healing. They play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. Endocannabinoids, e.g. anandamide 2-AG, are made on demand in the body. Phytocannabinoids, e.g. THC, CBD, mimic endocannabinoids and are more potent. Cannabinoids act as keys that fit into specific locks, receptors, to restore balance. Overview of cannabinoids and their products. Various cannabinoids are available, each with unique properties and potential benefits. Understanding these can help individuals choose the right products for their needs. CBD, CBG, CBN, CBC, THC, and THCV are key cannabinoids found in cannabis. Bloom Hemp offers a range of products, including tinctures and gummies, with varying cannabinoid profiles. Legal products contain trace amounts of THC, 0.3%. Full-spectrum and broad-spectrum CBD products. Full-spectrum and broad-spectrum CBD products offer various formulations that include different cannabinoids and terpenes, providing unique benefits while addressing specific health needs. Full-spectrum products contain trace amounts of THC, 8.3%, while broad-spectrum products are THC-free. Full-spectrum products contain CBD, CBG, CBN, and trace THC, 0.3%, include various terpenes and botanicals for enhanced effects. Broad-spectrum products, THC-free formulations that retain the entourage effect with multiple cannabinoids and terpenes. Product types include tinctures, soft gels, and gummies, with specific formulations targeting recovery, calming, digestion, and focus. Cannabinoid profiles. Each product has a unique cannabinoid and terpene profile tailored for specific therapeutic effects. CBD isolate and its benefits. CBD isolate is the purest form of CBD, providing rapid effects and versatility for various applications. It is ideal for individuals sensitive to THC or those undergoing drug testing. Definition: CBD isolate is a pure form of cannabidiol, free from other cannabinoids and THC. Benefits: used for pain, anxiety, insomnia, inflammation, and epilepsy, can enhance the effects of other cannabinoids. Usage instructions: Can be consumed directly or added to food and beverages. Recommended dosage is 1 scoop, 50-70 milligrams. DIY projects. Suitable for creating homemade tinctures, lotions, and edibles. Cannabinoids and their therapeutic effects. Cannabinoids interact with the endocannabinoid system, ECS, to produce various therapeutic effects, with each cannabinoid having unique properties and benefits. CBD, cannabidiol, works on over 70 targets in the body, well tolerated with a good safety profile. CBG, cannabigerol, known as the mother of cannabinoids, has analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective properties. CBN, cannabinol, degraded THC, effective for insomnia, pain relief, and neuroprotection. CBC, cannabichromene, exhibits anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects found in trace amounts in full-spectrum products. THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, provides psychoactive effects used for nausea and pain relief. THCV, tetrahydrocannabivarin, antagonist at CB1, may aid in weight loss and metabolic function. Terpenes and their healing properties. Terpenes are organic compounds that contribute to the aroma and flavor of cannabis, enhancing the therapeutic effects through the entourage effect. Definition: terpenes are found in cannabis and other plants, providing distinct smells and tastes. Healing properties. Each terpene has unique therapeutic benefits, such as anti-anxiety, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic effects. Top terpenes include linalool, limonene, myrcene, and beta-caryophyllene, each with numerous studies supporting their efficacy. Symptom-targeted therapies. Specific terpene and cannabinoid combinations can target symptoms like anxiety, pain, and insomnia. Shopping for safe CBD products. When purchasing CBD products, consumers should prioritize safety, transparency, and quality to ensure effective and reliable use. Key considerations. Look for USDA organic certification, GMP practices, and lab testing for purity and potency. Product types. Available in isolate, broad spectrum, and full spectrum forms. Various delivery methods include tinctures, edibles, and topicals. Transparency. Ensure accurate labeling with potency and serving sizes. Codes should be available for all products. Support resources. Access to nurse lines and educational materials for safe consumption and dosing guidance. Bloom Hemp's unique offerings. Bloom Hemp provides a range of CBD products formulated by healthcare professionals, emphasizing quality, safety, and patient-centered care. Formulation. Products are USDA organically grown and formulated in the USA, ensuring high standards. Product range includes advanced tinctures, gummies, and soft gels with targeted health benefits. Clinical evidence. Focused tincture study showed a 52% improvement in productivity and reduced appetite in participants. Support network. Offers free resources, including a nurse line and educational programs for patients and providers.